In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Samsung. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck and get this free app from Flartu developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, launch it. Then thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!